guys, and welcome back to Lampis. You have seen it from the title. You know, like quarantine is like going to force us to just try out, like to really get out of our comfort zone and try out new things. And that's why, because I can't get to my beauty or to my dentist where I usually clean my 2 minutes teeth bleaching at home with ingredients that you already have in your fridge. Anyways, before we start with this video, if you are new to Lampis, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and most important guys, leave a comment. I would also like to hear from you. What other home remedy do you use, especially during this time when you just can't get things done the way you usually do? Like, the most effective way to actually bleach your teeth at home is baking soda, ginger, and lemon juice. I forgot my lemon in the kitchen. I'm going to get that. And according to what I've seen on YouTube, you need a fresh lemon that have seeds, so you know that it's bio. Then you also need to add a bit of normal toothpaste, and of course you need your brush. Let's go. So I'm going to take this, like a quarter of a teaspoon. I add to my ginger a little bit more. I want my teeth clean by the end of this thing. And then to that, I'm adding normal amount of toothpaste that you usually use when you're brushing your teeth, right? And then, of course, we add, when you add lemon, it sounds like a drink because of the baking soda, obviously. So take the toothbrush, mix everything up together, and then just go and brush your teeth. 2 minutes. And after this, my teeth should be clean. But before we go to that, I just want to show you how my teeth look like now. That's how my teeth look like. I usually clean my teeth every 3rd month, and the last appointment was supposed to be beginning of April because, of course, quarantine. I couldn't make it to the lady who usually clean my teeth. So let's see if this is going to work. And in between, during quarantine, I've been drinking coffee that I usually don't do. When I usually go to work, I don't drink coffee because I feel like it's bad for the teeth. And I also had some glasses of red wine. Ready? 2 minutes. Boo, can you please put on a timer for me? 2 minutes?
2 minutes.
Yes, thank you. Really nice. I could have really clean.
Go. Finish. 2 minutes.
I'm back. It has been 2 minutes. I just went to the bathroom briefly to rinse my mouth. Didn't apply anything. I'm here for the results. Please, baby, focus on my teeth. They are now super white. I would say, I don't want to say my opinion yet. First, I just want to give you a moment. If you have a moment now, just to take a break, write what you think in your comment, if you think this has worked or not, or if you have used it and you know that it works, then I will come back. First, let me just ask. No, before that, I definitely, before I check in the mirror and stuff, first I just have to apply shea butter because I don't know if the teeth are clean, but one thing for sure, my mouth is super fresh from all that ginger. Let me ask Bobo Chino. I need to apply some shea butter just because of the lemon and the baking soda. Are they whiter?
Yeah, they look whiter already. I think you should apply
A little
2
bit more,
or 3
maybe
times.
times a week.
Yeah, if you do like for a week once a day, I think you're going to have super white teeth.
Ah, okay. So Alice thinks my teeth are actually whiter, which I think is good. I also know for a very long time I've been using baking soda to brush my teeth. Works very well. Let me put it this way. 2 minutes, I would say it's too short to see a significant difference. But I think I can see a little bit of a difference, which I'm happy with. My mouth is super fresh. I'll say if you're going on a date, you need to try this out. Not for teeth cleaning, just for that freshness. I have always my favorite book for natural remedies, like everything about beauty that you can do at home using ingredients from your fridge.
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 You can do at home with the fridge.
Thank
Italian
you.
girl.
Thank you. And I wanted just to check what they said specifically about teeth bleaching at home. Ah, amazing. Baking soda whitens your teeth and freshens your breath. If you have 2 tablespoons of baking soda, a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon sea salt, a quarter teaspoon, not bad, ginger, and then maybe a little bit to that essential oil, peppermint. This should be okay as to clean your teeth and also whiten. So no doubt that my teeth look clean, some science behind this. So the only thing that I would really do is try to incorporate this into your healthcare or self-care remedy, and just, you know, do this 2 or 3 times a week. Should work. And I think eventually, you know, girl here like to save some money. I'll be happy to save 100 euros that I spend usually on teeth cleaning. It's somewhere between 100 to 150, depending on how
Let's say 200.
Yeah, 200 if you go maybe once a year, but I go like more often. So the lady gave me a little bit of a discount, and then that depends on how dirty your teeth are. So if you are reducing also chocolate, which is my recommendation, dark chocolate, reduce red wine, and then reduce also coffee. Then you use your home remedy, baking soda, lemon juice, and ginger. Should be fine. That was it from me today. If you enjoy this kind of videos from me, inform me in the comment section, and then I will share with you more of my natural remedies. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video, and hopefully the next video is going to be also with Bubuchino next to me. Ciao, ciao, ciao.